Currently on NVIDIA, we have a good example on how to manage the fractal turns here. Now, I did detect a decaying fractal here, right, the top and the bottom. And when it began to decline, we did a trade going down, got about 10 points, okay? Fractal number one. We'll remove that. Okay, now we have a better picture. Right here, we have a growth fractal. Okay, fractal number one. Fractal number two, right here. Okay, we have a growth fractal here, then a decaying fractal here. Now, the fractals indicate the turning points, okay, and all we're doing, we're mapping the market during the day. Okay, we have a bottom here, we have a top here. Now, what is currently happening, we have another fractal right here. That's a growth fractal. Okay, fractal number one, fractal number two, fractal number three. How do you trade it? Well, you have to wait for the band to break. All right, we have a top, bottom there, and we have a top here. So the video will continue to rise till another fractal appears. Now we have another fractal. Forming. 43, 47, 4 points. 48, 4, 52. Okay, so we have a slider that ideally will end here. Okay. Now, if we go above here, the trend will be higher. However, if we break the trend on a lower band, we go lower. Hence, the fractals are telling you here, turn this up. The fractals are telling you here, a top, turn this down. The fractals are telling you here, a growth fractal, turn this up. What's going to happen next? Well, we have a slider forming. It may or may not go to 52, okay, but it's forming. So I would expect the video probably to fail and go back down, okay? But we'll have to wait for the fractal to complete. Fractals do lag, okay? Like over here, we had spike, okay? We're going up, and we had a little overthrow there. And then another fractal appeared, a decaying fractal, then went down. The growth fractal now is attempting to rally here up to around 52. NVIDIA appears to be waning here. Now, at times, the slider could fall short, okay, and then go back down again. All right. The key to enter would be on the band. On the other time frames for the micro, okay, we have a growth fractal here. Turn this up. Likewise, on the 15-minute time frame, to turn this up. Okay. Do the trade, you'll have to wait for the band to go down, and you have to wait the band to go down. That would be your ideal entry point. Again, you can use fractals on any instrument, okay? Um, the video right now, pretty chaotic. I mean, we're looking on a daily time frame on a 15-minute time frame here, and they're appearing quite frequently, quite clearly, and we'll have to wait for the video collider here. It's taking a decaying form, meaning it'll probably turn down. Whether it turns down here at 49 or 52, okay, you have about a 3 point risk, for example, do a trade going down. The fractals do define the risk. All right. You lose a point or two or three, so what? If you keep doing the trades, one day you'll get 70, 80, 90, 100 points. Okay, that's the key. In the meantime, we have to watch what is happening throughout the trading day here. But the key entry point would be breaking bands, either on the bottom or the top. Here's the top, here's the bottom, here's the top, here's the bottom. We break the bottom, we go down. Um, Provided we won't have a throwover where you'll do a head fake and then go back up again. All right. So you'll have to wait for that line fractal to continue to go down before you enter. Okay. Update on NVIDIA and micro today. Currently it's about 3 o'clock, 3:15, and we'll have to wait to find out what happens during the day. But during the night, for the open, okay, look at the band here, and look at the band here. We break it, okay, that would indicate the trend will be down. On NVIDIA, it took a big rally here, all right, and we're getting a good sequence of a fractal here, a fractal here, and a fractal here. We'll have to wait for 42 to find out what will happen. Again, we're looking at a 15-minute time frame. You could probably drill down to the 10-minute time frame and take a look at what's happening there. Not too much. Maybe the 5-minute time frame. Anything happening there? Well, no, not exactly. We have to go back to the 15-minute time frame. Okay. We'll find out what happens there. Keep that in mind for tomorrow and the 20-minute and 15-minute time frame for tonight. You have your parameters uh, in line here. All right. Again, when you break the band, that would be your trigger. You break the band, that would be your trigger. You break the band, that would be your trigger. You break the band, that will be your trigger. update today at 3:21. Hank Winicky signing off.